today for the session wherein the different versions of cookies, the dough making, basic dough preparation would be done by these experts. And before we begin our session, sir, I would also like to inform you about a little bit about Serve Institution, which started in 2018 with a vision of delivering and imparting the quality education to the students and, of course, settling them for international hospitality for life. And we offer different degree courses, diploma courses, short-term courses currently, and looking forward for a few more add-on courses in future months. So we have students from first year, second year, and a short-term courses as of now. And along with faculty members, I have head of the department, Chef VPS Negi, the head of the housekeeping, Mr. Ajay Rawat, the culinary expert, Chef Vinay Malkoti, and our business communication HOD would soon be joining us. So it's lovely to see you, sir, first of all, and we are looking forward for a great session from you. So over to you, Chef Ashish Spencer, for your delivery. Thank you.
Good morning to each and every one of you who have joined today in this session. And I would like to welcome you all on my behalf. Myself, Chef Ashish Spencer, and I've been in this industry for more than 10 years now. And I've been associated with Vipul sir for quite a long time. And we have worked together also now. And as for my profile, I am a trainer chef as well as lecturer at Diwan BS Institute of Hotel Management, Meerut. And I hold a Guinness Book of World Record title in bakery trade as well. And I am the admin at Amul Masterclass series also. And we are doing a lot to bring the food industry and the the chefs, the hidden chefs out there to come into limelight. So that is the basic motto. And इसी बात को मैं बोल करके students को भी encourage करना चाहता हूँ that we want to showcase this industry and bring it into limelight so that each and every one of you has got a bright prospect, a bright future. So good morning to each and every one of you, all the faculties, dignitaries, all the esteemed members joined here in today's session, as well as my dear students, because especially जो ये sessions होते हैं and all these things that are being organized is for the students only. So we are working for you people, students. I hope that all of you are fine, safe, because ये ऐसा time है, all of us need to be taking care of our health. We have to eat good, we have to stay at home, we have to take all the necessary precautions that are required. And the first thing is that you should be safe at your home. So यही मैं ऐसी कामना करता हूँ, and that is my wish for each and every one of you, that you be safe and sound at your home. Plus साथ साथ learning should always take place. It should never stop. By any means or method we can do the learning. So obviously this is the time when we can utilize the internet and the online mode for maximum of our learning. So that we should keep in mind, और यही हमारा motto होना चाहिए. We should keep the flame burning and we should take it ahead, because all of us are hospitality professionals. तो हमारे अंदर जो zeal है, हमारे अंदर जो enthusiasm है, उसको बुझने नहीं देना है, whether any kind of circumstances there. So we should always, try to go forward and take the things together forward and our industry also. So let's start with this session today. We are joined here today to learn a little bit about, something very interesting and very basic, because it is in your course also. और ये जो चीजें हैं, ये जो बेसिक चीजें हैं, ये हम अगर मिस कर जाते हैं तो मे बी एट द फ्यूचर सेमेस्टर्स or in your industry you may have difficulty. So all the time I tell my students also that your basics should be clear. So that is our main motto, our basics should be clear. We are going to make a basic cookie dough today. I'm going to tell you the types of cookies, and I'm going to tell you how the cookie came into being, and how you can shape or mold a little bit of different types of cookies. And ये जो basic dough है, ये आप अपने घर में आराम से बना सकते हैं. You should be knowing the recipe, you should not be knowing the role of ingredients. That is very much important for you as a budding chef, right? So let's start with the session. I'm going to start off with saying that cookie as the term जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा popularly use होता है cookie word. It is derived from a Dutch word koke, K-O-K-J-E, which used to mean literally small cake. So पहले ज़माने में क्या होता था? The people they do not intentionally made cookies. They used to make cakes और जब अवन का टेम्परेचर इतना हमारे को सोफिस्टिकेटेड डिवाइसेस नहीं हुआ करती थी हमारे पास, so what we used to do for checking the temperature of the oven, you used to use ये जो केक बैटर होता था उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा पीस लेकर के हम अवन में डालते थे और वो सही बेक होके आता था. दैट वाज the identification or that was the that denoted the oven temperature properly. So that's how the cookie came into being. वो छोटे छोटे पीसेस जो थे वही जो लोग जो थे relish करना शुरू कर दिया लोगों ने उसको, and that's how the concept or the culture of cookie came into being. And the small pieces of cake जो टेस्ट के लिए अंदर अवन में डाला करते थे, they started to come out in various flavors with different varieties, and that is how the term cookie came into being. कुकी एंड बिस्किट, थोड़ा सा जनरली हमको ये बात ध्यान हर बार ये बात हमारे दिमाग में आती है, एंड वी हैव striking confusion in our mind regarding cookie and biscuit, but I want to tell you cookie and biscuit के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं होता है. There are different textures, different textures and taste that you can give to both of the preparations, but they have a very thin line of difference. कोई ज्यादा बड़ा difference नहीं है. Cookie and biscuit दोनों ही interchangeable terms हैं. Americans use this word cookie, whereas the English people still use the word biscuit. Biscuit comes from the word bis, which means baked, and quit means twice. So the biscuits or the cookies were baked twice and made a little bit crisp. So ये कहना होता है लोगों का, और थोड़ा सा एक हल्का फुल्का thin line of difference is there, that biscuits are a little bit more crispier, whereas cookies are more softer in texture. So बहुत ज्यादा major difference नहीं है. There is a thin line of difference that I told you. So we are going to make a basic cookie dough today. And before we start off making with the basic cookie dough, I'm going to show you the ingredients, and then I'm going to tell you the proportion. First, I'm going to tell you the proportion that is required for a basic cookie dough. दो तरीके के proportions आप अपनाते हैं biscuits के लिए. Basically, you take जो proportion आता है flour के reference में हम लेते हैं. So for the biscuit, a plain biscuit, the ratio that you take is, if you're taking X amount of flour, for example 100 grams of flour you are taking, you are going to take 50% of the fat and 50% of the sugar. This is the basic proportion for a plain biscuit or a basic biscuit recipe. और अगर हम basic cookie की बात करें, which is more softer, the basic proportion is 3:2:1. 3 parts of flour, 2 parts of fat, and 1 part of sugar. So for example, you are taking 300 grams of flour, you are going to take 200 grams of fat. It can be any kind of fat. Margarine हो सकती है, जो cake margarine, soft margarine हो सकती है, butter हो सकता है, salted, unsalted, any kind of butter that you can use. So excellent quality. अगर आप fat इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो obviously आपकी जो cookie की quality है वो बढ़िया आएगी. And 1 part of sugar. Sugar obviously, because cookie is made by creaming method, तो यहाँ पर हम grain sugar का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. We use caster sugar or coarse sugar. जिसकी normally बूरा हमारे को market में मिलता है, that you can obviously use for its preparation. So the ratio, basic ratio ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. 3:2:1. 3 parts of flour, 2 parts of fat, and 1 part of sugar. So that is going to give you a soft cookie. So I'll show you the ingredients here. As you can see here, I have taken 2 parts of fat. जैसे मैंने घर में लिया हुआ है, आप भी ले सकते हैं bowls की measurement में, या फिर if you have a measuring cup or a measuring jar, या फिर अगर आपके पास weighing scale है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो you can take it according to the cups also. और यहाँ पर मैंने जो है 2 parts of fat लिया हुआ है, that I'm going to use, plus 1 part of caster sugar I have taken here, and 3 parts of flour, refined flour, that we are going to use. Apart from it, the accessory thing that we require, because we are going to make butter cookies today, क्योंकि मैंने Amul butter लिया हुआ है, so we are going to use little bit of almond for dredging on top for garnish. I have taken some oil if required, and I have taken egg. As you can see here, egg, you can take 1 whole egg for it is going to be used for two purposes. We are going to add it to the dough also, plus we are going to use it as a wash. अगर आप इतना egg friendly नहीं है या फिर आप eggless बनाना चाहते हैं, तो then you can use milk instead of egg. But egg अगर preferably आप use करें, तो it is going to be giving you a good texture also, plus good flavor also. So that is going to be used. Plus baking powder, normally which is available at in the market, baking powder लेंगे, which is going to improve the texture of the cookie. And when you are making plain cookies, so you are going to add little bit of vanilla essence, so that off flavor या off taste जो flour का आता है या फिर egg के साथ आता है, वो भी remove किया जा सके. Now these are the ingredients. ठीक है. As and when I am mixing the ingredients, I am going to tell the method. The method by which I am going to make the cookie is known as the creaming method. So creaming method से बनाते हैं. So for creaming method, I am going to take in a bowl. If you have got the ingredients, जैसे विपुल सर ने मेरे को बताया था, some of you are very much interested and you have taken your ingredients also at home, so you can join me when I am doing it. So in a bowl, you can take softened butter,
I would also request students to please open up their cameras and simultaneously they can do the preparation. If they have the ingredients, you can do the preparation and kindly open up your cameras.
So I am taking the softened butter, जो कि normally अभी तो क्योंकि गर्मी का मौसम है, it's summer season, so अगर आप फ्रिज से निकाल के बाहर रख भी देंगे तो your fat is going to become soft. So I have taken here butter, good quality of butter I am going to use, and little bit of mixing I am doing here of the butter. Then creaming is going to be adding sugar into your fat. So ideally हम थोड़ा sugar डालते हैं, but I am going to, because क्योंकि quantity ज़्यादा नहीं है, मैं sugar को 2 बार में ही add कर दूंगा. What I am doing is I am doing creaming here. Now the fat, role of ingredient जैसे मैं बता रहा था, fat is going to give the softness, required amount of flavor to the cookie, required amount of the melt in the mouth, delicacy, and plus the sugar is going to give you the taste and will support the structure also. एक cookie के अंदर एक चीज का हमें ध्यान रखना होता है, the thing that we commonly call it as the spread of the cookie. तो अगर हम बहुत फाइन शुगर लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू टेक आइसिंग शुगर, तो स्प्रेड इतना ज्यादा नहीं आता है कुकी का, और जरूरी नहीं है हर कुकी के अंदर हमें स्प्रेड चाहिए ही चाहिए हो. वी रिक्वायर इट एज पर द रेसिपी एंड एज पर व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कुकी वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग. सो कुछ कुकीज का हमें ध्यान रखना होता है, स्प्रेड का मतलब होता है फैल जाना. ठीक है. सो अगर हम ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे तो कुकी फैल के फ्लैट भी हो सकती है. सो वी कैन नॉट totally say that spread is always required, but it depends upon the kind of cookie that you are making. So जो cookie आज हम बना रहे हैं, butter cookie, can you show the creaming here please? Here I am doing the creaming of fat and sugar together. So the students who have joined with us can please do it also at your home. This process is known as creaming, in which you take fat and sugar together and mix it in a bowl nicely. And साथ ही साथ क्या होता है, जब ये आप एक्शन ये राउंड मोशन में जब आप अपने स्पून से, वुडन स्पून से, or any kind of thing that you are using, what happens is the incorporation of air. And because of this process, your cookie becomes more softer and more finer in quality. So ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है. We are making it by the most common method of making, that is the creaming method. ये creaming method जो होता है, that is applied for cakes also and different kinds of bakery preparations. So herein we are using the creaming method, as you can see. क्योंकि quantity कम है, so not much amount of or more amount of required creaming is there, but इतना जरूर ध्यान रखना है, your mixture should become soft and fluffy. तो जो आपका मिक्सचर है वो सॉफ्ट और फ्लफी हो जाना चाहिए. If you have a hand blender or hand mixer, you can use that also. I hope people, sir, the voice is clear and the video is clear.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's all clear.
Okay. So herein we are going about the creaming process. As you can see, because this is the phenomenal step. This is the most important step for making the cookie. And because we are doing it live, so we have to keep things in track. So जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, the role of fat and sugar अब साथ में mix हो रहे हैं. They are going to give you an excellent mixture of fluffed up mixture, a kind of icing that was used in the older year that was known as buttercream. But here, because we are not using equal quantity, but so that we can call it buttercream. In buttercream, we use equal quantity of fat and sugar. Here the amount of fat is more. एक चीज और ध्यान रखेंगे, जैसे मैंने आपको कुकी का प्रोपोर्शन अभी बताया है 3:2:1. शुगर की क्वांटिटी थोड़ा मैटर करती है इन दी क्वालिटी ऑफ योर कुकी. If sugar is more as compared to other things, or it is out of proportion, or it is more, your cookies may tend to become hard. So बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जब हम कुकीज बनाते हैं तो हमारी एक कॉमन सी शिकायत ही होती है कि the cookies I have turned out to be hard. ठीक है, पत्थर जैसी कुकी बन गई, या हार्ड बन गई, या ड्राई हो गई. ठीक है, और does not come out well. या फिर ये होता है कि जब इनिशियली बेकिंग से बाहर आती है, it is soft, but then as and when it gets cooled down और थोड़ा रखने के बाद जो required amount of moisture है वो निकल जाता है. Depends upon the baking time and temperature as well. And sugar का mainly role, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, sugar has to be balanced. Sugar also gives the spread and color. तो फैट भी और शुगर भी जो है दोनों स्प्रेड देते हैं कुकीज को. स्प्रेड मीन्स कितना फैलती है कुकी. So as you can see, a nice fluffy mixture is more or less ready here. The sugar and fat together creamed. See, a nice clean mixture of fat and sugar. This process is known as creaming. Here, only the quality of the cookie. This step will determine the quality of the cookie that we are preparing. So just another 1 minute more I am doing, so that we promise what we speak. So almost done. We are going to add the flour now to this cream mixture. You can use a rubber spatula. कुछ चीजें हमारे पास घर में नॉर्मली होती हैं, कुछ चीजें नहीं भी होती हैं. So not a problem. Right now all of you are at home and making things at home becomes a little bit technical. यहीं पर ही फ्लावर में थोड़ा सा बेकिंग पाउडर मैं ऐड कर लूंगा साथ में, मैंने ऐड नहीं किया था. So a pinch of baking powder I'll add here in the flour. Baking powder will help the cookie rise a little bit and will give an open texture. क्योंकि जैसे गैस रिलीज होगी कुकी जो है थोड़ा उठेगी और साथ ही साथ it is going to get an open texture. So I have added the flour here. Now एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पर, when you are mixing the flour and creamed mixture together, you have to remember you do not have to knead it. यहाँ पर इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है. There is difference between making of cookie and making of bread. As we all know that flour is the agent which is responsible for giving the structure to the products. So flour will give the structure, required structure, क्योंकि इसके अंदर जो proteins होती हैं, gluten and gliadin. But here इस वाली रेसिपी में हमने ध्यान रखना है कुकी के केस में जो ग्लूटेन है उसको डेवलप नहीं कराना है. We are going to just knead it through, sorry, bind it, not knead it. So almost there, because ये जो अभी मिक्सचर हमने रेडी किया है that is soft enough. As you can see here, I am going to put this in the refrigerator for 5 minutes so that a little bit of fat is set. Then I am going to show you. Till the time we are going to discuss on the kind of cookies. Keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes. So so I hope the dough is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
yes, and what I am going to do is I am going to keep this dough in the fridge because it is seemingly hot out here. And जो dough है उसको थोड़ा सा set करने की जरूरत है in the refrigerator so that you get the required texture for it to be molded into different forms and shape. Now, till the time it has gone into the fridge for keeping and for setting it down, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss on different types of cookies. So, just a second, we're just arranging the camera. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to discuss about ये जो हमने अभी बनाया है, what we have made is a basic dough, cookie dough, and अभी इसमें हमने what we are going to do, we are going to take it out and mold it into different shape, and I'm going to show you. Till the time I'm going to tell you the 4 or 5 types of cookies that are there that are generally made. क्योंकि cookies जो हैं वो generally जैसे बनाई जाती हैं, जिस method से उनको mold किया जाता है, डो आपकी बेसिक सेम हो सकती है, but the type of processing that you take can be different for different types of cookies. So first is molded. One kind of cookie is molded cookie, जो कि अभी हम बनाने जा रहे हैं, and I'm going to show you hand molded or what you can use at home for molding the cookies. So एक तरीके की जो cookie होती है that is molded cookie. Okay, you can use different types of molds, you can use different types of cutters, you can use different types of stencils to cut the cookie and mold it into different shape. हाथ से भी molding कर सकते हैं normally. So that is the kind of the first kind of cookie that you make. Second is the piped or bagged cookie. Piping में क्या होता है? Basically we know that what is a piping bag. We take different जो डो होते हैं कुकी के उनका different texture होता है. जो piping cookies होती हैं उनका जो डो होता है it is semi soft or it is does not hold its shape properly. उसको जो है मतलब इसका texture consistency ऐसी होती है कि आप उसे आराम से pipe out कर सकते हैं. It is not in a form of a set dough, but it is soft and can be piped out. So you can pipe out in different kinds of shapes. जैसे कि सबसे सिंपल आपको मार्केट में स्पाइरल कुकीज मिलती है, आपने देखा होगा. So how it is made, the soft dough is made and then it is piped out through the piping bag with different kinds of attachments. ठीक है, तो जो स्टार नोजल होता है उसी से you just pipe it out and then bake it on the tray. So that is a kind of piped cookies जो कि normally आपको मार्केट में मिलती है. Landy chats हैं यानी कि cat's tongue है. That is also a kind of bagged या piped cookies जिसमें कि आप उसको लंबा लंबा cat tongue के जैसे आप pipe out कर देते हैं and bake कर देते हैं. These are all obviously available in the market जो आपको मिल जाती हैं. Then the third type is the sheeted or rolled cookies. Sheeted or rolled मतलब या फिर उसको आइस बॉक्स कुकीज भी बोल देते हैं, जिसमें कि हम जो डो है रेफ्रिजरेटर को में बना के रख देते हैं। एंड व्हाट यू डू, यू रोल दिस डो, जब ठंडा हो जाता है, सेट हो जाता है, देन यू कैन जस्ट रोल आउट दिस डो इनटू डिफरेंट शेप्स और उसको साथ में कंबाइन कर देते हैं, जैसे कि चेकर्ड कुकीज आती हैं या फिर पिन व्हील कुकीज आती हैं आपकी मार्केट में। सो दैट कैन बी मेड रोल्ड और शीटेड में क्या होता है, बेसिकली डो में आपने ठंडी करी एंड देन व्हाट यू डू, आप डो निकालते हैं, उसको शीट करते हैं up to 1 inch of thickness या जितने thickness required है for the cookie, and then you cut it with different cutters। और जैसे कि यहाँ पर दो कुकी कटर्स हैं मेरे पास, यू कैन सी शीटिंग कर सकते हैं, डो को रोल आउट कर लेते हैं इनटू अ शीट, थिकनेस डिपेंड्स अपॉन द काइंड ऑफ कुकी दैट यू आर मेकिंग, एंड नॉर्मली यू कैन कट इट विद एनी काइंड ऑफ कुकी कटर। अलग अलग शेप्स के कुकी कटर्स आते हैं तो आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन डू दैट। और डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स कंबाइन कर सकते हैं, चॉकलेट बेस्ड कुकी बना सकते हैं कोको पाउडर के साथ, यू कैन मेक इट, and different types of doughs you can take and combine them together into different shapes। So that is kind of the iceberg or refrigerated cookies जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं। और कुछ डोज को आप क्या कर सकते हैं, शीट करके और उनको रोल कर देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू हैव गॉट 3 फ्लेवर्स, चॉकलेट, वनीला एंड पिस्ता। आपने तीनों को एक के ऊपर एक शीट करा एंड देन यू रोल इट ऑफ। आफ्टर रोलिंग what you do, you keep it in the fridge, थोड़ा ठंडा सेट हो जाएगा, then you can cut it with a knife into small pieces and then you can bake it। So that is a kind of rolled cookies। कुकी बार जैसे कि ब्राउनी है या फिर चॉकलेट चिप कुकीज हैं, आप क्या करते हैं, इसका बैटर टाइप डो बनाते हैं, इसको पूरा शीट में बेक कर देते हैं and then you cut it into smaller pieces। So that are the bar type of cookies or the cookie bars। So these are some of the different kinds of cookies that you can process depending upon your dough। So we are just bringing the dough back from the refrigerator so that I can show it to you how the molding is done। I'm going to show you the basic molding और hand molded cookie, जिसको कि butter cookies हम बोल रहे हैं, and we are going to dredge it with the almonds। थोड़े से almonds मैंने chop करके रखे हुए हैं यहाँ पर, so that you can obviously use for dredging it। Can I just a second? Okay, so the dough I have got a little bit set has become, और मैं इसको hand molding आपको करके दिखा रहा हूँ। I'm going to mold it with the hand। Normal round shapes you can make। I am making these small round shapes, and these are basic hand molded ones। So can we concentrate here? तो जैसे मैंने बताया ये हैंड मोल्डेड है, इसके ऊपर आप चाहो तो थोड़ा सा एग है मेरे पास, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द एग। I'm going to add the vanilla essence little bit so that off flavor of egg is removed। So a little bit of vanilla essence। Can we have the camera here? So I am showing it to you। ये राउंड शेप का मैंने बना दिया है, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा मैंने एग वॉश किया है और ऊपर से थोड़ा सा आलमंड्स जो हैं वो ड्रेच किए हैं. सो दैट इज अ बेसिक प्रिपरेशन दैट आई हैव मेड. अगर आपके पास घर में जैसे कि ये फोक है, थोड़ा सा डिजाइन आप ऊपर से देना चाहते हैं, तो यू कैन यूज द फोक एंड गिव डिफरेंट शेप्स. जैसे अभी मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ द सेकंड शेप ऑफ फोर्क. हल्का सा एग मैंने इसके ऊपर वॉश लगाया एंड अगेन आई ऐड द आलमंड्स. द थर्ड वन यू कैन, जैसे घर में कोई भी आपके पास कुछ कंटेनर्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैव गॉट सम ग्लास ऑल्सो, जैसे ग्लासेस घर में होते हैं इसके नीचे बेस में कुछ इंप्रेशन होते हैं, आप उस इंप्रेशन को भी इसके ऊपर दे सकते हैं.
Sir, it looks very beautiful. The marks are very much visible. So if we can little bit zoom in to the cookies at times.
Yes, sir. So that's what I was telling.
Yes, yes.
Fork it out. और जो घर में हम सिंपली काम कर सकते हैं वही हम कर रहे हैं. सो दो तीन बिल्कुल सिंपल से बेसिक से मैंने आपको डिजाइन यहाँ पर बना करके आई हैव शोन इट टू यू and dredge it with little bit almonds, and then that's how you can put it on the baking tray and then bake it ahead. So these are 4 simple designs. और भी आप innovation कर सकते हैं. And it's a simple basic dough. उसी basic dough से हमने innovation करके और shaping करके molding करके whatever is in your mind you can give on top, you can give. थोड़ा सा उंगली से इंप्रेशन डाल के इसमें जैम वगैरह भी फिल कर सकते हैं, चॉकलेट फिलिंग भी कर सकते हैं. दैट कैन ऑब्वियसली बी डन. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द बेसिक डिजाइंस और बेसिक थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू एट होम फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज ये चीजें पहले बेसिक आपको सीखनी है, देन यू कैन गो टू द एडवांस्ड लेवल्स. सो आई होप दिस सेशन इज क्लियर टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. एंड वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ बेसिक डो एंड बेसिक जो प्रिपरेशन हमने करके दिखाई थी. और मैंने कुछ जो राउंड शेप वाली कुकीज हैं, they are going to spread, and I had already baked it for you people so that you can see how it will come. So that's all from my side. You can go and do the baking. Happy baking and happy eating some good products at your home. Over to you, sir. Vipul sir.
All right, sir. Lovely seeing the cooking of cookies, baking of cookies. And just a small question, sir. What time and how much time and what temperature should we bake the cookies?
Yes. Important question. Get important. Good that you minded. For baking, if you are at your home, you are using an OTG because that is going to be obviously required. The temperatures from above and below is very much required. So normal temperature of 170 degrees Celsius would be enough for baking the cookies, and time around 20 to 25 minutes. So 100 ज्यादा हाई टेम्परेचर भी नहीं डालना है और ज्यादा लो पे भी नहीं डालना है. 170 इज देन ऑप्टिमम. 170 to 180 के बीच में जा सकता है, but the time is 20 to 25 minutes. So that is how you are going to get this kind of cookie. Once you start developing the color, you can take it out. होता क्या है, जब बेकिंग से बाहर निकालते हैं तो कुकीज थोड़ी सॉफ्ट होती हैं, तो उस समय हमें घबराना नहीं कि हमारी कुकी हुई है नहीं हुई है. थोड़ी देर जब उसे रखेंगे, it is going to become settle down. So when you get a normal brown color on top, golden brown color, you can just take it out.
All right. So it's already 11:30. It's almost like tea time. So we would like to obviously see you at some institution sometime, and we will the students and our team will do the live sessions of that. So 11:30 is the time of tea, and we have the cookies at this point of time. All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
I would also request any of our students to ask any question if they have. So
Yes,
the
you
forum,
can. You may ask any question, or you may connect with me also on Facebook, or through phone, also through mails. Also, you can take it from Vipul sir. So you can connect. On Monday, I'm going to have a live session on Facebook, and I'm going to take a class on Parfait master class. So you can join in that also.
so sir is the part of Amul's team who prepare and present a live demonstration every week, every Monday, and over the period of I think 2 years, he has successfully raised heights in Amul. He is a Guinness Book of World Record holder title who has decorated, certain amount of cupcakes in some particular time. So he is one of the person who has received the Guinness Book of World Record also. The forum is open to question and answers. Any student, please go ahead and ask the question, or they want to say something. Sir, we have a lot of food production student with us. So I would
Excuse me,
also,
sir.
yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I have a question. So you have used egg in